Hey guys, welcome back to the road video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that when you try to download or install apps, or you may try to create or make videos or photos in your iPhone, or you may do any other action, you may face a problem that iPhone storage full or almost full. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, there are two ways to fix this problem. So simply, first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, first of all you may just click here on your Apple account. And guys, sometimes if your iPhone iCloud storage will be full, then you may show this pop-up. So you may just simply click here on your iCloud, and guys, you may remove photos or data from here, or you may upgrade to iCloud Plus and get more space, and this problem will be fixed. The second method is guys, you may click here on general, and here is the option of iPhone storage. So you may click here and you may check your iPhone storage, and you may check as if you have not enough storage, then guys you may check your data and you may delete your data which may have more space. So let's check. For example, PUBG Mobile, this may have 20 GB. So you may click here and you may upload app or delete app, or you may delete that apps which you are not using, or you may delete photos, videos, or any other data which have more space. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.